Hi, in this video I will show you how to transcribe audio into text using Google Gemini. Open your Google Gemini app and the first thing is we need to upload our file into Gemini. So you can do that by clicking on this plus icon right here and you can choose from the drop down if you want to upload it from Drive or your computer files. So I will choose my computer. Then I can choose, for example, this video. I'm going to upload it. Now just wait for the video to upload to Gemini, and then you can ask transcribe this audio into text. And if you want, you can also add timestamps. So I can also ask add timestamps too. Now we're gonna wait for the video, and then we can hit on the enter. Once your file is there, we can send this by using this button. And now we just want to wait for Gemini to transcribe the audio from this file. Right, so this is our transcription. We can also see the timestamps right here. And this is how you can transcribe your files in Gemini. If you found this video helpful, consider subscribing for more tutorials like this one.